Department of Public Works and Highway Secretary Vince Dizon lauded the fifth State of the Nation address of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., which opened by addressing the ongoing investigation into the alleged flood control project scandal. The DPWH chief added that it is now up to the Ombudsman on the filing of additional cases, wherein the President himself mentioned his cousin, former House Speaker Martin Romualdez, during the SONA.
I think ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-honest at pinaka-klarong SONA at ang gustong mangyari lang ng Pangulo Simpigang. Magtrabaho tayong lahat. Dahil ang daming hirap na dinaranas ng mga kababayan natin, hindi siya Pangulo ng kanyang pamilya, hindi siya Pangulo ng kanyang pinsan, Pangulo siya ng lahat ng Pilipino. Nagsabi na ang Ombudsman, malapit na. Nakita nyo na yung kasong kanyang final at mayroon ng preliminary investigation. Hintayin natin ang gagawin ng Ombudsman.
Senator Erwin Tulfo, on the other hand, said he was not surprised that the President made a special mention of his cousin, saying it shows his seriousness in the ongoing probe.
Yun ang inaantay ng lahat eh. Everybody's waiting eh. For that, na ano bang gagawin? May kakasuhan ba? Bakit parang special treatment? I'm not surprised because I've been hearing already na the President was disappointed last year pa lang na may nagsabi na sa kanya na itong mga leader ng both houses of Congress involved, etc. I was very disappointed and then ayun, nalaman niya na sabit yung cousin niya. Pero he doesn't have choice eh, kasi binuksan niya yung flood control eh. He could have just shut his mouth and did not talk about it. Pero gusto niyang tuldukan na siguro itong corruption kaya dito sa flood control.
Palas Press Officer and PCO Undersecretary Claire Castro, meanwhile, stated that it is clear from the President's SONA that there is no selective justice under the current administration. Castro then noted that those accused also have the right to defend themselves in accordance with due process.
Kaya nga po maraming masyado agad judgmental. Kasi even before, sinabi naman ng Pangulo na wala po siyang kikilalaning kulay, walang kaalyado, walang kamag-anak, kung saan lang po dadali na ebidensya. At ito naman po ay nasa kamay na rin po ng Office of the Ombudsman. Kung ano po makikita nilang mga ebidensya, ay igagalang po natin.
Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.